Here's a pair of Beats Solo 3 Bluetooth headphones. I'm going to show you how to connect to your Hisense TV via Bluetooth. So the first thing is we need to go to the settings on your Hisense TV. So you can click on the home button on your remote. And then once you're here, you want to go up to the settings icon, go to right, all the way to right. Right there, settings, the gear icon, click on OK. And now we want to go down to remotes and accessories right there on the very bottom, click on OK. And now before we add accessory here, we're going to go ahead and put the Solo 3 headphones into pairing mode, okay? So we see a little tiny light up here. And you can see where that button is, right there, okay? So let me just go ahead and, it's on right now. Let me just turn it off. Let me press and hold for a few seconds. And I'll let go. Okay, it's off now. Now let's put it in pairing mode, okay? So what we want to do is just press and hold for like a few seconds till the white light, all the white light starts blinking, okay? So it's blinking, so now it's in pairing mode. So now if I go to my TV here and add accessory, click on OK or add accessory, and now it's already searching for it. Let's see if it finds it. Okay, Beats Solo 3 right there. Let me go down one right there. Click on OK. And now it's pairing. Give it 1 second. If you have issues pairing or connecting, then go ahead and do a factory reset. The link's below in the description area how to do that. So from here, Bluetooth pairing requests, I'm going to go ahead and pair. It's already highlighted right there. And then you can see Beats Solo 3 is connected. And down there it says connected as well. So there you go. Now I can use these to watch my Netflix or YouTube or whatnot. All right, pretty simple. Good luck, guys.